All right, the drink we're about to make is called Scotch Daisy. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass and measure out 2 ounces of scotch. There's 1 and 2. And we'll follow that up with 1 ounce of lemon juice. And next we'll add a half a teaspoon of superfine sugar. And also a half a teaspoon of grenadine. And we'll go ahead and shake it up. So make sure you shake it up enough that you get the sugar dissolved in with everything else. All right. And we've got our glass here. Oh, we'll go ahead and pour it in. Should have a nice pink daisy colored cocktail. And give it a straw. And we'll garnish it with a cherry and an orange. Let's go and poke that through. And there you go. Scotch Daisy. Bottoms up.